Hi, welcome to chapter 3 of Nexwave Marketing Mobile App Tutorial. This is Sean here, and in this chapter I'm going to go through with you on what are the things that you have to do in this functionality page. So when you come to the backend, click on functionality page, and in this functionality page is where you add in tabs. You may ask me, Sean, what are tabs? Tabs are basically pages in website. When you go to a website, you have pages such as about us, dashboard, message, and I think these are different pages. In mobile app, you have this thing called tabs. So you can have, for example, home, about us, contact us, product, services, and so on. So when you want to add these tabs, you basically come to the functionality page of the backend. Once you click on it, you will see this. Currently there are no tabs right now, but in your backend there probably will be 10 tabs. So don't do anything to them. Just watch this tutorial and have a clear understanding of how to add in the tabs so that you can actually start editing and removing tabs once you have a clear idea of what are the tabs and how to add the tabs. So that being said, I'm just gonna teach you how to add the tabs and how to change the name of the tabs in this chapter. So in chapter 3 we will learn how to add the tabs. Okay, stay with me. If you come to the backend and if you click on functionality page, you will see this button here called add new tab. Click on that tab and a pop-up window will open up saying that new app details. In here you give the app a title name. Before you give the app a title name, you need to have an idea of what kind of tab functions does this tab gonna have. For example, you have a list of tabs here, which is around us, call us, car finder, contact tab, direction view tab, email form tab, email photo tab, event tab version 2, fan wall tab version 2, food ordering tab, Google Ads tab, GPS Groupon, home tab, image gallery, info tabs, loyalty tabs, mailing tab, membership tab, menu tab, merchandise tab, message tab, mortgage calculator tab, which is very good for property agents, music tab, news tab, notepad tab, PDF tab, podcast tab, QR scanner tab, real estate tab, then again good for property agents, reservation tab, RSS feed tab, social feed tab, sports stats tab, tell friends tab, tip calculator tab, voice recording tab, walkthrough tab, website tab, Woohoo form tab, and YouTube channel tab. These are the list of functionalities that we have for the pages that you can choose. What I will do is in the following chapter I will go through with you what are the different functions of each of these tabs and how you can edit the content inside each of these tabs. So in this chapter I'm just gonna randomly pick a tab. For example, contact tab. Obviously contact tab is a tab whereby your contact information will be there and then people can contact you via email or their mobile phone. So here I will type in contact us because that makes sense, because that is the function. So you need to know what kind of function that you want to have for that page in order to add or name a tab. So this video tutorial for this chapter is just going to give you a clear view of how to create a tab and how to name a tab. But in the following chapter we will go through with you on the list of tabs and what are the features for different tabs. So here, once you've named it contact us, make sure the active tab radio button is selected. This button has to be selected. So if this is not selected, the tab is not going to be active. So once you do that, you can come in here and you can actually select the icon that you want to have for your tab. There are both traditional and model icon for it. I prefer a modern icon. And for something like contact us, I think I would add in an icon like this, or maybe an icon that has relevant to it, like a telephone that is calling somebody, or a contact tab. So I'm just going to go to this icon right here, which I just selected previously, and I'm just going to use that, and I'm going to click save. Remember to come to the bottom, scroll down and save, and once you save, your tab will basically appear here. So right now you have your tabs ready, and if you want to edit this tab, you click on edit, and you can come in here, and if you want to change the name of the tab, or if you want to change the functions of the tab or the icon of the tab, you can actually do that if you want to. So basically that's how you create a tab, and that's how you edit the tab, that's how you name a tab, and that's how you activate a tab. So I hope by now you have a clear understanding of how to do that. I know for your backend you have a list of tabs, probably about 10 different tabs. So what we're going to do right now is that I'm just going to jump straight into what are the different tabs and what are their functionalities like, and how you can actually add in these content to these tabs. So I'm just going to go through that. So the next chapter we're going to talk about content, and after content we will talk about what are the functions of the tab. So I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions regarding tabs, just feel free to drop us an email or give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.